If you've ever wondered how to check comments on X.com, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the easiest way to open a post and view all the replies in full screen, so you can read the comments without guessing or clicking around. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open X.com or the X app and find the tweet you want to check. This could be a post from your home feed, a search result, or a profile page. Now here's the important part. Do not click the reply bubble or the chat icon underneath the post. Instead, click directly on the body of the tweet itself. That means click the actual text, image, video, or the main post area. Once you do that, the tweet will open in full screen view. This is where X makes it much easier to read the original post and its replies in one place. As soon as the post opens, the comments or replies will automatically load directly beneath the original tweet. You can scroll down to see people responding, discussing, or adding context to the post. If there are a lot of replies, keep scrolling to view more comments. This is the simplest way to check X.com comments because you don't need any extra tools, settings, or complicated steps. Just open the post properly, and the reply thread appears underneath it. If you want to check comments on another tweet, repeat the same process. Click the body of the tweet, wait for the full screen view, and then scroll below the original post to read the replies. It's a fast method, and once you get used to it, it takes only a second. I hope this helped you figure out how to check X.com or Twitter comments quickly and easily. If it did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.